Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, July 12th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY IWM QQQs, and the beat goes on, my friends, as SPY and ES QQQs and NQ all with new highs again. Kind of a carbon copy from Friday, except there's no gap or low accepted price, but we do go out. We filled one set of single prints from Friday, replaced them with another one, and the market just spent the entire day grinding higher. Look at this volume. It was all done at the highs of the day. It was being packed in earlier between B's high and F's high, and then late in the day, look at this, KLM just, again, the volume stunk. It was only 44 million, but for what we did, it was all at the highs. Triple Qs made a new high on a gap, filled the gap, and then never saw the opening until the last time frame, the last couple of minutes of the time frame. They had a perfect POC, 10 for 10, and then that was it. Russell had 10 for 10 perfect POC, and then they went higher. They ended with a trend day. So they have a double distribution day the way we do. No single prints in triple Qs. I would use I as the afternoon pullback low for them, H in triple Qs, and G for us plus the single prints. I had a good day. Didn't do a lot of trading, but it was a good day. I took a short initially in A period with the 437 puts. I said I think the first time up they will probably front run the overnight high and Friday's all-time high. It got right up to it. That's exactly what happened. Took it and rode it back down. Took the rest off right below the opening. It was a nice trade to start the day and the week. And then in D period, I didn't do anything in B. Got long in D on the 435 calls, which we were still one time framing up at the time. We had single prints that filled, but I got in, went back up, took them off as they got towards the high. And then again in E, when E flushed a little bit, if you want to call it a flush, I got long, not huge because I was looking to take a bigger play around at the time, half back, value low, and Friday's high. But I got the 435s again and rode those back up. J period, there was no tempo. I was like, I'm going to attempt to short if we make a new high. We did. It started going higher. I'm like, okay. I actually it was 20 puts. I bought 100 calls right above J's high. And when we came down in J, I added 150. And as we came down, I took the 20 puts off. I lost on the puts. I was long 250 calls and then rode those back up to right around I's high again, which turned out to be a very nice trade. And that was the last trade I did on the day. I just watched basically KL and M as they made new highs, and we go out with a price probe. Destinations for tomorrow, upside for now, once again, one and only one, 437.35, today's all-time high. Downside, we go out with a price probe, just like we did on Friday. Friday's was rejected. We'll see what happened with today's. L's high, 437.20. Afternoon pullback low, G, 436.38. We were 8 wide, never got 9 wide, so I don't use it as a reference point that I write down. Not that I will ignore it tomorrow. And then we have our one set of single prints, 436.06. E's low to A's high of 435.93. Today's low of 434.97. And then you should have the rest of the single prints and lowest accepted price from Friday that I gave you on Friday night. And then, quickly, on the chart, we're just going to show you SPY today, the weekly and the daily. So the weekly didn't spend any time wasting to take out last week's high. So we talk about getting distance away from previous highs. Well, this is 4 weeks in a row now that we're one time framing up. And last couple of weeks, we got distance. And the daily, which I said coming into this morning, if we take out Friday's high, we're back to up. So we went that 9 days in a row up, bull, balanced for 3 days, came out bear on on Thursday, went back to balance on Friday, back to bull today, as we are one time framing up 2 days. Again, no reason to try and pick a market top. Just keep trading what's in front of you. Okay, there's too many people, I think, that are getting hurt trying to keep saying this can't go any higher. And I don't care what the structure is or the volume. Yeah, they're both horrible, but it doesn't matter. So just keep trading what's in front of you, and you'll stay out of trouble. Hope you had a great day. Have a lovely evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.